Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about smart pointers in C++. We'll be focusing on the unique PTR, shared PTR, and weak PTR, diving into how they work and when to use each of them. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into it. First, let's understand what smart pointers are. In simple terms, they're a class template in C++ that provides the power of pointers, but also automatically manages memory, avoiding memory leaks and dangling pointers. Let's start with unique pointer. This type of smart pointer owns and manages another object and destroys that object when the unique pointer goes out of scope. Here, we've created a unique pointer that owns an integer. When the unique pointer goes out of scope at the end of the main function, it will automatically delete the integer. Next, let's talk about the shared pointer. This smart pointer allows multiple owners for a single object. The object is destroyed when the last shared pointer owning the object is destroyed. In this example, we have two shared pointers sharing ownership of an integer. The integer will be deleted when both shared pointers go out of scope. And finally, let's talk about the weak pointer. Smart pointer doesn't take ownership of the object it points to, so it doesn't contribute to the object's reference count. It's typically used to prevent circular references with share pointers. In this example, the weak pointer, weak PTR, doesn't own the integer, so the integer's lifetime is solely controlled by the shared pointer. And that's going to be it for our brief tour of smart pointers in C++. These pointers provide a powerful, safer way to work with dynamically allocated memory in C++. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.